Hey folks, how y'all doing? This is KVUSMC. I want to show y'all something. We got about 15 inches of snow that's melted since then. It's probably 12 there. And it's my four-wheeler tracks. But y'all look at this. That's feet of snow. Well, probably 3.5, 4 foot hanging off the shop. And I got a 3-inch anodized aluminum iron ridge from solar panel projects. I got iron ridge up there, anodized aluminum icebreakers. That's the only thing that's holding that up there. And yeah, it's a good thing to have. You don't want anybody walking underneath of that. I mean, as far as you can see. Snowing in Dixie. Anyway, that's one y'all. I wanted y'all to see that. Look at that. This snow is. Look at it. Icebreaker's the only thing that's holding it up there. And I got the wood stove humping. This is kind of stuff we're looking at right now. I'm getting messages and stuff while I'm videotaping. But yeah, I just wanted to share this with y'all. Look at it, look at the hot tub and the grill. Anyway, look at that, y'all. And you can see the ice break up through there. You can see the ice where it's catching it up underneath of there. This is my cell phone, so it's not really good, the best quality. But yeah, don't walk underneath of that. That'll pound you. But it's melting away fast. It's 2:34 in the afternoon. Solar panels got almost all the snow off of them. It's about 34 degrees out here. That's wild. Feels like we're living in Alaska. But yeah, got the wood going. It's cozy up in there. I wouldn't y'all see this. Some of it's trying to fall right now. But you see where it broke? Where it's sliding down the roof. Up there. Yeah, it's a good 3 feet and hadn't broke yet. You see on top of the roof. The icebreakers is a must. I don't care if you live in Florida or Texas, anywhere. Any metal roof should have icebreakers on it. You see right there? It's holding it up there. So there's the sun. Woo! Yay! Solar power. I got the old Wire 94 going in there. That's some awesome stuff. I gotta show that on videotape for y'all. But there we go. Look inside there. As far as you can see. All right, folks. Well, this is KVUSMC. Hey, thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe. God bless and Semper Fi. Hey, and a Merry Christmas. We'll do a whole lot more videos. Y'all, I got my Marine Corps polypropylene long underwear on. It's the warmest stuff there is. Look it up on eBay. It's called polypropylene. And the Marine Corps adopted this back in the early 90s when I was in. So, hoorah. All right. So, anyway, I got the bottoms and tops on. They're warm as heck. But anyway, y'all take care, and let you look at the Wire 94. I got the dampers closed, and there's nothing coming No emissions or smoke hardly coming out of the stack. She's a nice 60 degrees in here. She is pumping, y'all. I got my glove rack up there with man a 6 gauge copper. Look at that. Woo! She's warm. All right, folks. Y'all take it easy. Signing off. Hoorah. Y'all take care now. Bye-bye. Always put icebreakers or ice catchers on your tin roofs. Hoorah. Y'all take it easy now. Metal roofs, any kind of metal roof. All right now. Bye-bye.